Morning class 1. So class 1, hope you all are fine. So class 1, I have given you chapter 6 question answers yesterday. So I said you to learn, okay, after writing you will learn very properly. So our last chapter is remaining, that's the stories of a computer that we will do. Then our full book is completed, then we will start revising. Okay, now we will have interactive class. So through interactive class every day I will ask you the question answers, okay, so that I will know how many of you are actually reading. Okay, so today I'm not starting a new chapter, so our chapter 6 only. Okay, today I'm going to write some spellings, okay, and you have to read along with me. Okay children, so that you will come to know. So first we are going to talk about keyboard. Okay, because children, spellings are very important. If you don't know spelling, then your answers can be wrong. So you see, very important is your spellings. Okay, now only one chapter is left, so no problem, slowly we will do it. Okay, our computer is so less chapters and so small chapters. Okay, by teaching very slowly also we are going to complete it. Okay, really very slow. Okay, like if you go very slowly also, then also see we have completed, we have already completed revision of chapter 1 2 3 4 also once. Okay, but again we are going to complete it. It's very good. Okay, so that you all can study everything and keep it. Okay, so you see here keyboard, K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, board. So what is the spelling? K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, board, keyboard. Okay, now number 2, number key, N-U-M-B-E-R, number, K-E-Y, okay, S, number keys, N-U-M-B-E-R, number, K-E-Y-S, keys, number keys. Okay, next is alphabets key, A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T, alphabet, K-E-Y-S, keys, alphabet keys. Okay, now next we are going to write about your backspace key, B-A-C-K, back, S-P-A-C-E, space, K-E-Y, key, backspace key. Okay, now we are going to write about arrow key, A-R-R-O-W, arrow, K-E-Y-S, keys, arrow keys. Okay, so now we are going to write about cap locks key, C-A-P-S, caps, L-O-C-K, lock, K-E-Y-S, keys, cap locks keys. Okay, number 7, okay, so cap locks key is over. Now space bar key, S-P-A-C-E, space bar key. Okay, number 8, control key, C-O-N-T-R-O-L, control, K-E-Y, key, control key. Now number 9, enter key, E-N-T-E-R, enter, K-E-Y, key, enter key. Okay, so now numeric, N-U-M-E-R-I-C, numeric, K-E-Y, keypad, pad, numeric keypad. Okay, so let's read this all, then we will do more for. Okay, so you see children, spellings are very important. Okay, so you must know all the spelling very properly. Okay, now you see, today the question answer which I gave. Okay, today the question answer which I gave, I want to read. So children, today I gave you the question answer. I am reading out. So that you can listen it in the video, and while you are reading you will not have any problem. Once more I am reading before I will go to the spellings. Okay, so name the key used to give space between words. This was the first question. The answer is space bar key. SPACE space BAR bar KEY key, space bar key. The second question was, what is numeric keypad? The answer is, the number key are used to type numbers. This is called numeric keypad. Okay. Number 3. How do you type capital letters? Okay, so how do you type capital letters? The answer is, we type capital letters with cap locks key. So how do you type capital letters? We type capital letters with cap locks key. Number 4. Which is the longest key on the keyboard? The answer is space bar key. Which key, children? Space bar key. SPACE space BAR bar KEY key, space bar key. The number 5th questions. Which key is used to move to the next line? So to go to the next line, which key we use? Then okay, so that is your enter key. ENTER, enter. KEY key, enter key. Okay, so which key is used to move to the next line? That is what? Enter key. Okay, children. Number 6. Which key is used to erase on the left side of the cursors? Now, if you do a mistake while you're typing, okay, so which key you will use to erase from the left side? So the answer is backspace key. BACK, back, SPACE space KEY key, backspace key. So which key you will use, children? Backspace key you will use, okay, to erase the letter from the left, okay, left side of the cursor. So this way the 6th question which I gave you today. Okay, that means yesterday I have given you. So I hope you all have written it. Today I have read again for you. Okay, I hope you have written in your copy and every one of you have learned. Okay, so today let's begin the spellings. Okay, children. Okay, so let's begin the spellings. So look at them. You all will look very properly. Number 1, keyboard. KEY key, BOARD, board, keyboard. Number 2, number key. NUMBER, number. KEYS keys, number keys. Number 3, alphabet keys. ALPHABET, alphabet. KEYS keys, alphabet keys. Number 4, BACK, back. SPACE space, backspace key. KEY key, backspace key. Okay. Number 5, arrow key. ARROW, arrow. KEYS keys, arrow keys. Number 6, cap locks key. CAPS, cap. LOCK, lock. KEYS keys, cap lock keys. Okay. Number 7, space bar key. SPACE space BAR bar KEY key, space bar key. Number 8, CONTROL, control. KEY key, control key. Number 9, ENTER, enter. KEY key, enter key. Number 10, NUMERIC, numeric. KEY key, PAD, numeric keypad. Okay, so you see, children, so these are the spellings which you have to learn, you have to know. Okay, once more I am reading. What is this? Keyboard. What is number 2? Number key. Number 3, alphabet keys. Number 4, backspace key. Number 5, arrow key. Number 6, cap locks key. Number 7, space bar key. Number 8, control key. Number 9, enter key. Number 10, numeric keypad. Okay, so these are the spellings, okay, which you all have to learn very properly. Okay. When there will be interactive class, at that time I will ask you all these spellings. Okay, so you see once more I'm reading for you. Okay, number one, KEY, key, BOARD, board. What? It is a keyboard. Number two, number key, NUMBE, a number, KEYS, keys, number keys. Number three, alphabet keys, ALPHABET, alphabet, KEYS, keys, alphabet keys. Number four, backspace key, BACK, back, SPACE, space, KEY key, backspace key. Number 5, arrow key, ARROW, arrow, KEYS keys, arrows keys. Number 6, cap locks key, CAPS, cap, LOCK, lock, KEYS keys, cap locks keys. Number 7, space bar key, SPACE, space, BAR, bar, KEY key, space bar key. Number 8, control key, CONTROL, control, KEY key, control key. Number 9, ENTER, enter, KEY key, enter key. Number 10, NUMERIC, numeric, KEY key, PAD, numeric keypad. Okay, so you see these all are different types of keys. These all are the words which has come across your chapter 6. Okay, so it is a keyboard, number key, alphabet key, backspace key, arrow key, cap lock key, space bar key, control key, enter key, numeric key, and keypad. Okay, children, so now other four are there, so let me write. You all will read, okay, very properly. So you see number 10 was here. So number 11, cursor. Okay, CURSOR, cursor. Number 12, special key, SPECIAL, special, KEYS, keys, special keys. Okay, now return key, number 13, RETUR, and return, KEY key. Okay, return key. Next is your number 14. That is your number 14 is what? Capital letters. CAPITAL, capital. LETTERS, letters, capital letters. Okay, so I'm reading the words for you again. So see number 11, cursor, CURSOR, cursor. So what is it? Cursor, CURSOR, cursor. Next, number 12, special key, SPECIAL, special, KEYS, keys, special keys. Okay, number 13, return key, RETUR, and return, KEYS, keys, return keys. 14, capital letters, CAPITAL, capital, LETTERS, letters, capital letters. Okay, so what was it? Cursor. Once more I'm saying, CURSOR, cursor. Number 12, special key, SPECIAL, special, KEYS, keys, special keys. Number 13, return key, RETUR, and return, KEY key, return key. Number 14, capital letters, CAPITAL, capital, LETTERS, letters, capital letters. Okay, so these all are the spellings which you are going to learn it. Okay, children, so here it was what? Space bar key. Again I'm reading for you. SPAC, space BR, bar KY key, space bar key. Number 8, control key, CONTROL, control, KEY key, control key. Number 9 was enter key, ENTR, enter, KEY key, enter key. Number 10, numeric keypad, NUMERIC, numeric, KEY key, PAD, numeric keypad. So these all spellings you are going to, okay, all the spellings you are going to learn very properly. I'm just saying from the beginning what was number 1, keyboard, number key, alphabet keys, backspace key, arrow key, cap lock key, spacebar key, control key, enter key, numeric keypad, cursor, special key, return key, and capital letters. So children, these all, okay, 14 spellings today. Altogether 14 spelling I have given you. So all these 14 spelling you are going to read for today. Okay, so study very properly. Thank you children for today.